Hi, Lou Manfredini, ACE's home expert, and we're here at the Ego headquarters, and we're going to be talking about their brand new two-stage snow thrower. Barnaby, thank you so much for having us once again.
Pleasure to be here, man. I love this machine.
Right, last time we were here, we were talking about this single-stage unit, which is amazing. It's a top seller at ACE, and so many people are just thrilled with the performance. I have to tell you, the fact that you guys have developed a two-stage is a little bit shocking, but looking at this thing, it looks amazing.
Yeah, you know, there was a big outpouring of desire for it on the part of the Ego buying public. They said, when are you going to build one? It's like, it's here because it's awesome. You own the single stage, right?
Right, correct.
And it works great.
It's amazing.
Yep, but there are some people who just think, I really have to move more snow than I think that will move, although that does a great job. And so the two-stage is born. What that's going to get you is two brushless motors, right? One of them is going to operate the auger, which is gathering the snow, and the impeller, which is flinging the snow. And the other is going to work the drivetrain. So no maintenance on this thing. It's fantastic. And like with all Ego tools, press of a button and it starts. None of that prime choke pull in the winter, right?
Right. One of the things that when I look at this machine, two-stage snow throwers, they're asked to do a lot. They're asked to chew up the snow, throw the snow, be self-propelled because of the size of the unit. Right. You're doing that all under battery power.
Yep, the legendary 56-volt arc lithium battery technology, which is top-rated, longest-running, fastest-charging, most powerful, and longest-living battery on the market. And so we have what's called peak power, Lou, two going together, right? So it's almost like you trying to lift the bathtub by yourself. Easier with two people doing it, right? So we're running it with two batteries instead of just one.
Now, one thing that I found to be impressive is that you almost have like this command center where the operator is standing that allows you to operate everything, not only the drive, but the auger itself, and you can adjust the chute, where it points and how high and in the direction.
Absolutely, and you can do it with heavy mittens on, which is what happens in the winter, right? Everything is just so well laid out. So again, you start it. Now, when you hit the drive mechanism with this hand is free to, as you said, Lou, operate the chute. Very positive feel right here. Again, in the store, if you give it a try, you're going to go, wow, that is well made. 200-degree arc. If you want to raise it up and down and put the snow a little more thoughtfully into places, you can do it this way. As far as the speed of the auger and the impeller, we've got that covered too, again with really good sized knobs, and then the speed of the device going forward and reverse as well. Two banks of LED lights, which have very little draw on the battery because after all, Lou, they're LED.
Right, right. Now, one of the things that obviously this has the ability to munch up a bunch of snow. How far is it going to throw the snow?
50 feet, which the designer of this said is embarrassingly far.
Finally, let's talk about run time. Yeah. Certainly the weight of the snow is going to have a factor into how well and how long it's going to run. But when they've tested this, you guys have used this, what have you found on average? How long is someone going to be able to run this?
Okay, so this guy with the two 7.5 amp hour batteries that come with it are going to clear an 18-car driveway. Now, you and I were talking, you're bumping up on 20 feet per car, right, in length. So a big driveway, plenty of sidewalk, and that's going to be done, if we want to be scientific about it, with 8 inches of snow of medium density. To your point, if it gets heavier and wetter and deeper, and this is a 24-inch cut, so you're going to be chewing up a lot of real estate with each pass. Yeah.
Amazing. Well, if you need more information or you want to learn more or you want to actually get behind the handlebars of this unit, then you just need to go to your local ACE hardware store. Remember, ACE is the helpful place.